Hey there, science fans. Today, we're diving into the world of drones with the Dji Phantom series. These aren't your everyday toys, they're flying robots changing how we see the world. Since their debut, Phantom drones have become super popular, used by everyone from photographers to filmmakers. Why? Because they're easy to fly and take amazing pictures and videos. Think of the Phantom as your eye in the sky. It can fly up high and give you a bird's eye view of everything. Construction workers use them to inspect bridges, farmers use them to check on crops, and filmmakers use them to get those epic shots you see in movies. But what makes the Phantom so special? What's going on inside that sleek body? Let's find out. To understand the Phantom, we need to peek under the hood. Like a car, the Phantom has key parts that make it fly. First, there's the frame. It's like the drone's skeleton, holding everything together. Attached to the frame are the motors and propellers, which provide the lift and make the Phantom soar through the air. Next, we have the brains of the operation, the flight controller. It's like the drone's autopilot, keeping it stable and following your commands. Of course, no drone is complete without a camera. The Phantom's camera is mounted on a gimbal, a special device that keeps the camera steady even when the drone is moving. Finally, we have the battery, the Phantom's powerhouse. It provides the energy for all those cool features. Building a drone like the Phantom is like putting together a high-tech puzzle. Each piece has to be strong, lightweight, and work perfectly with the other parts. That's where choosing the right materials comes in. Engineers carefully select materials for each component. For the frame, they use strong and lightweight materials like carbon fiber. This helps the Phantom stay up in the air longer and resist damage. The motors and propellers need to be both powerful and efficient. They're often made of durable plastics and metals that can withstand high speeds. The camera and gimbal require precise engineering and use lightweight metals and plastics for smooth operation. And finally, the battery needs to store a lot of energy without being too heavy. That's why they use lithium polymer batteries, which offer a great balance of power and weight. Making a Phantom is a high-tech process. It all starts with manufacturing the individual components. Frames, motors, propellers, cameras, you name it. These parts are made with precision using specialized machines and techniques. Next comes assembly. Skilled technicians put all the pieces together, carefully connecting the motors, wiring the electronics, and mounting the camera. It's like a well-choreographed dance of technology. Once the drone is assembled, it's time for integration. This is where the software and hardware come together. Technicians install the flight controller, connect the camera, and calibrate the sensors. But it doesn't stop there. Before any Phantom leaves the factory, it goes through rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and performance.